Following the joint statement of September last year, Minister Motegi and Ambassador Lighthizer, USTR, are proceeding with the discussion, and I welcome this discussion. In today's talks between myself and President Trump, we should achieve early outcome based upon the trustful relationship between our two nations. We shall accelerate the pace of discussion. We agreed on that. Next month at G20 Osaka Summit, President Trump, I am going to welcome him again in Osaka. Looking forward to it. For the success of G20 Summit, U.S.-Japan cooperation is indispensable. I will continue to collaborate closely with President Trump. Yesterday, I was able to talk with President Trump on a variety of issues in a relaxed atmosphere, like the game of golf, watching sumo wrestling, as well as the dinner where our spouses joined. The friendship and trustful relationship was even more enhanced. The exuberance of joy shown by the crowd that I witnessed in the stadium, as well as the frenzied excitement of the general public when presidential cup was handed to Asanoyama, the champion, indeed, a new page was added to the prestigious history of sumo. Donald, I thank you very much. Tomorrow, together with President Trump, I will go to Yokosuka and visit our escort ship anchored in Yokosuka and show the strong bond of U.S.-Japan alliance to the people in Japan and the world. Lastly, once again, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Donald and Madame Melania for honoring us with your visit to Japan as the first state guest of the new era of Reiwa. Thank you.
Earlier today, I met for the second time with a group of Japanese families who have suffered the unthinkable heartbreak of having their loved ones abducted by North Korea. The United States will continue to support Japan's efforts to bring these abductees home. Our nations are also cooperating on a number of other vital security issues. The United States supports Japan's efforts to improve its defense capabilities, and in recent months we have greatly expedited the sale of large amounts of defense equipment to Japan made in the United States. We make the best equipment in the world. In 2018, Japan was one of the world's top purchasers of American defense equipment, and it has just announced its intent to purchase 105 brand new F-35 stealth aircraft. Stealth because the fact is you can't see them. This purchase would give Japan the largest F-35 fleet of any U.S. ally. America and Japan's close security ties are grounded in shared values. Our armed forces train and serve together all around the world. Tomorrow I will visit American troops stationed alongside the Japanese self-defense forces right here in Japan. On behalf of all Americans, I want to thank the Japanese people for graciously hosting our service members and military families. The United States and Japan are also working to improve our economic relationship based on the principles of fairness and reciprocity. We are currently negotiating a bilateral trade agreement that would benefit both of our economies. Our goal is to reduce our trade deficit with Japan, remove trade barriers and barriers of all kinds, so that U.S. exports will really have a fair and very profound footing. Just over 1 week ago, U.S. beef gained full access to Japanese markets for the first time since 2003. We hope to have even more to announce on the trade very, very soon. And finally, today I am pleased to confirm that Prime Minister Abe and I have agreed to dramatically expand our nation's cooperation in human space exploration. Japan will join our mission to send U.S. astronauts to space. We'll be going to the moon. We'll be going to Mars very soon. It's very exciting. And from a military standpoint, There is nothing more important right now than space. This is an exciting starting point for greater collaboration on many other things. Mr. Prime Minister, our visit this week is a moving reminder of the strength of the U.S.-Japan alliance and the deep friendship between our people. It is a profound honor to be in Japan at this important moment in your nation's history. For this new imperial era, your nation has chosen the name Reiwa, meaning beautiful harmony. America shares this wonderful aspiration for the future, and I look forward to continuing our tremendous partnership as we work together to bring this noble vision to life. Thank you very much. Thank you.